a person stand here, then a person stand, then it come later change to be this one, then change to be this one, and now we write it like this. This word means stand. This word means stand. Stand up, stand. So we can see these Chinese words come from pictures. For example, look at this one. 马. This one, 马. So you can see this is the change process of the word 马. In a very ancient time, they use like the pictures. We use in a very ancient time. We use the words like the pictures.
甲骨文和金文的字形都是一匹马的形。
So these words come from the picture of this horse. So later it changed after thousands of years. It changed to different forms.
收文。简化字。
And now we use this word. They use this word to express this one 马. Also, there's another one. Look at this one. This word. This one is a very simple word. We can see what's the meaning.
田字的甲骨文字形好像一块块田地，田块有多有少。田字的金文固定为4块田地的字形。小篆、隶书、楷书的田字，字形都沿袭经文，并逐渐由线条演变为笔画字。
So this is the change. This is the change process of this word 田. So it also comes from the pictures. And next one, fish. This one 鱼 fish.
鱼字的甲骨文像一条游动的鱼，鱼头、鱼鳍、鱼尾清晰可见。要细轴经文中，鱼字的线条生动明晰。发展到小篆，鱼字的象形性减弱。 但鱼头、鱼身、鱼尾还依稀可辨。隶书、楷书的鱼字将线条点。简化过程中，将繁体鱼字下面的4点连为一横，就。
So this is the form, the Chinese character we use today. 鱼 fish. We can see the process. It comes from the picture, then change to be this one, this one, this one, and then this one, and now this one. 鱼 It means fish. It means fish. So these are the group of the Chinese words come from pictures. We have learned many words. For example, we also have learned 人. It also comes from pictures. So these are the examples of the words come from pictures. These words come from pictures. Consist of the basic words of Chinese language. The original basic words that come from pictures. So when you learn the Chinese character, you can imagine or you can check the original form. Then it will help you to remember the Chinese character. And these are the examples. And besides the words come from pictures, there are also some words come from songs. For example, this one, table tennis. We call in Chinese, we call it 乒乓球. We call it 乒乓球. Why we call it 乒乓? Because when we play it, when we play the table tennis, the sounds will be 乒乓, 乒乓. So the name of this ball is 乒乓球. 乒乓球. And also come from sounds. Another one is this one. There are lots of. We just read some examples. For example, this one, the clock. When the sound of the clock will be di da di da di da. So it's like also the watch. So this is these sounds come from the sound of clock and watch. These are the words come from songs, and also some original Chinese words come from songs. And besides picture and sounds, and also some words come from English. But for these English words, outside words, foreign words in Chinese, they will not pronounce the same pronunciation or written in English. We trust the original pronunciation to be the Chinese pronunciation and write it the Chinese form. For example, this one. For example, this one, the first one, 巴基斯坦. Pakistan means Pakistan. It also comes from the sound Pakistan. Then we translate to be Chinese. We call it 巴基斯坦. And also, to get the meaning of this place, the second one, 伊斯兰堡. Do you know which city is this?
Islamabad.
Yes. Islamabad. We call it 伊斯兰堡. And next one, 卡拉奇.
Karachi.
Yes, Karachi. Karachi, the biggest city in Pakistan. Karachi. And next one, London. Yes, London. London. If you say London in China, most of them, if the Chinese people, they cannot speak English, they will not know which city is that. But if you say London, they all know, oh, that city. London, 卡拉奇, 伊斯兰堡, 巴基斯坦. And another one, for example, this one, 汉堡. 汉堡 is a kind of food, fast food. 汉堡
hamburger, hamburger,
hamburger, yes, hamburger, 汉堡 hamburger. And this one 可口可乐
Coca-Cola,
Coca-Cola.
yes, 可口可乐 Coca-Cola 可口可乐. But when we change it to be the Chinese character 可口可乐, if we only see the Chinese words, the meaning of this Chinese word is nice to drink and make you happy. Nice to drink, make you happy. So they also have another Chinese meaning in China. 可口可乐. And another one, 百事. 百事. Another kind of 百事. Pepsi.
Pepsi,
百事 Pepsi. 百事. And another one, 芬达.
Fanta,
Of the drink.
Fanta,
Yes. 芬达. Fanta.
Fanta,
And another one, 雪碧.雪碧.
Sprite,
Yes, Sprite. 雪碧 Sprite. 雪碧 Sprite. So this kind of words, they come from outside, foreign words. We just change the pronunciation to be the Chinese pronunciation and write it in Chinese form. 巴基斯坦、伊斯兰堡、卡拉西、伦敦、汉堡、可口可乐、百事、芬达、雪碧。So these are these words. Besides, the words come from pictures, from songs, and from the foreign words. And also, some words are the combination. For example, this one means 人 person. And this one, tree or wood. So if we put a person sitting down under the tree, a person and a tree. So it comes to this word, 休. It means have a rest. It also means stop. It means have a rest. Stop and rest. That means a person sitting under a tree. He's tired to sitting under the tree. So it means stop. It means have a rest. So there are another group of Chinese words, a combination. For example, this one, 人 means people. If we put 3 人 together, 1, 2, 3. We put 3 人 together, it means many person. 众, it means many person. And also this one, we put the sun and the moon together. Sun and the moon, we put it together. It means light. It means light. It means light, not dark. So we can see that we have learned many Chinese characters to remember. For example, last lesson we learned this one, 谁. 谁 means who. 谁 means who. This is the written order of these words. We can see the Chinese word. So here, let's introduce some strokes. Strokes of Chinese characters. This one, heng, and this one, shu, this one, 撇, and this one, dot, 点, and this one, na. Every stroke, they have their name. it is not necessary for you to remember the stroke. You just know how to write the Chinese character. It will be okay. This is the separate of the Chinese characters. We separate it into strokes. This is Heng, and this one Shu, and this one Pie, dot, and Na. And also this one Heng Zhe. This is one stroke. This is one stroke. And also this one Shu Zhe. It's also one stroke. And also this one, there's a small here. You can see we write this one. And also this stroke, 横折钩, 横折钩. And this one, 卧钩, 卧钩. We can see these strokes. And also these strokes, 竖弯钩 and 横折弯钩. Later we will use this one. So when you write the Chinese characters, there's a principle. When we write here, we can see the rule of how to write in Chinese character. We write that 横 first and then 竖. We write this the water level one first and then the up down. So we write 横 first and then 竖 later. And we also write the we also from the left first and then right. So here when you write the Chinese character, we will write from top to bottom, from left to right, from up to down, from left to right. So when you write the Chinese character first, the bottom one, we write it, you write the left first and then write the right one. So for example, this one, we write the upper and left side first, and then go to the right part from the up to down. This is the stroke order of the Chinese words. Every word to write the Chinese characters. The new words we have learned. These are the Chinese words, the Chinese characters. Chinese character is the most important part in Chinese language. So here, Chinese language, most of the basic words are come from pictures, as I have told you. This one, most of them are come from pictures, and then
Excuse me, ma'am.
come from song, and some come from songs, and also some come from foreign language. And later, some
Ma'am, please share the screen recording. We are not understanding.
Which one?
Ma'am, share the screen recording. We are not understanding.
I will not share the recording. If you don't understand, you can ask me now.
Ma'am, share the screen. Ma'am, we are not understanding which thing you are talking about.
Yes, I am sharing the screen. You don't understand
Okay,
which
ma'am.